In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize personal tasks in Trello. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of things you need to get done, or struggled to keep track of what's urgent, what's in progress, and what's finished, then Trello might just become your new best friend. Trello is a flexible and user-friendly tool that helps you visually organize tasks and stay on top of your priorities. Whether you're managing work projects, personal chores, or long-term goals, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to set up a system that works for you. Let's get started. First, open Trello on your web browser or mobile app. It's available on most devices, so choose whichever platform you prefer. Once Trello is open, look for the Create button. This is where the magic begins. Click on it, and you'll see a few options appear. From those, select the Board option. A board is essentially your workspace, where all your tasks and lists will live. Next, it's time to name your board. Choose a name that's meaningful to you. Something like My Personal Task Board would work well, but feel free to get creative. Now Trello lets you customize the look of your board, so pick a background color or image that feels calming or motivating. This small touch can make your board a more pleasant place to work in. Once your board is ready, you'll want to set up some lists. Lists in Trello help organize tasks by their status. Add 4 key lists to your board: to do, doing, sometimes called in progress, waiting, which can also be labeled as on hold and done. These lists will act as stages for your tasks, making it easy to see what needs to be tackled, what's already in progress, what's paused, and what's completed. With your lists in place, it's time to add some tasks. In Trello, tasks are represented as cards. Create individual cards for each of your tasks, and try to keep each card focused on a single outcome. For example, you might create cards like Buy Groceries, Clean Bedroom, or Pay Electricity Bill. Keeping tasks specific and actionable makes it easier to track progress. Now let's make those cards even more useful. Open up a card and you'll see options to add details. You can include notes, create checklists for subtasks, set due dates, or even attach files like photos or receipts. These features help you keep all the information you need for a task in one place. To stay organized, it's a good idea to create labels for categorizing your tasks. These labels can represent different areas of your life, like work, home, errands, bills, health, learning, chores, family, or personal goals. Once you've set up your labels, assign them to the relevant cards. This way, you can quickly see what category a task belongs to. When your board starts to fill up, you might want to focus on specific types of tasks. Use Trello's filter feature to display only the tasks with a certain label. This can save you time and help you zero in on what matters most at a given moment. To ensure you never miss an important deadline, enable notifications in Trello's settings or through the mobile app. This will allow you to receive reminders for any due dates you've set on your cards. For larger tasks that feel overwhelming, break them down into smaller, more manageable checklist items right within the card. Ticking off these smaller steps can help you build momentum and stay motivated. Trello also offers free add-ons called power-ups to enhance your board's functionality. Some great ones to explore include Calendar View, which lets you see tasks on a calendar, Card Repeater, for automating recurring tasks, and custom fields for adding extra details to your cards. As you begin working on tasks, drag the relevant card to the doing list. This simple action helps you visually track what you're actively working on. If a task gets delayed or is waiting on someone else, move it to the waiting list. And when you've completed a task, drop the card into the done list. Watching your done list fill up over time can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. To keep your board clean and up to date, perform a weekly reset. Archive old or completed tasks from the done list to keep things tidy. Take a moment to tidy up your to-do list as well. Add any new tasks that have come up and reorder the list, so the most important items are at the top. And finally, make it a habit to update your board regularly. Whether it's daily or weekly, keeping your board aligned with your goals ensures that Trello remains an effective tool for managing your time and priorities. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.